sum of 19.38 and 56.025. Then subtract it from 200.111. Okay, so this is the question that take out the sum of 19.38 and 56.025. So first we'll find out what the sum. Clear? So find out here. So 19.38 and what 56. So I have discussed in the previous video also that we write the number in such a way that all the decimal point fall in the same vertical line. So here you can make it like terms by putting what 0, 15, 5 and 1 6 and 1 7, 75. Then subtract it from is what? First we have to write 200.111 and then we will write this one 75.405. So we have to subtract because it is written subtract it from. So we will write from this one first. Now 1 minus 5 we cannot subtract, so we will take 1 from this. It will be what? 11. 11 minus 5 6. What is left here? 0. Okay, 0 is left. Then again we will take 1 from this. This will become 0 and this is what? This will become 10. So 10 minus okay, you don't have to subtract here. Clear? Because it is given what here? It is 0 here and 0 minus 0 0. Then 1 minus 4 we will take 1 from this. It will become 11. 11 minus 4 7. Then what is left here? Of course this is 0. So we will take 1 from 2. It will become 1. Then it will become what? 10. Again we have taken 1 from this. This will become 9 and this will become what? 10. Clear? Then again from this 10 we have taken 1. So this is what? 9. So 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. What is here? 9. 9 minus 7 2. Okay, and this is 1. So the final answer is what? 124.706. Clear? Don't read it like this 706. No, this is 706. Now the next question is add 13.95 and 1.003 and from the result subtract the sum of 2.794 and 6.2. Clear? So add this and this and then from the result subtract the sum of this and this. Means first we'll find out the sum of what? This one, and then we will find out the sum of what? This, and then we will subtract. Clear? So add this one 13.95 and then 1.003. Then here 1 0. So this is what? 3 5 9 4 1, because 3 and 1 4. Again we have to add what? This one. So 2.794 and 6.2. So when we will add, we can put 0 here. So 4 9, then 7 and 2 9 and 6 and 2 8. Clear? Then we have to what? Subtract the sum. Subtract. We have to subtract. Means from the result. Means from this we have to subtract this one. So we will write here 14.953. Okay, and then what? Then we will write here 8.994 and we will subtract. So 3 minus 4 we can't subtract, so 13. This will become what? 4, and this will become 13. So 13 minus 4, 9. Then here 4 minus 9, not possible. So we will take 1 from this. This is what? 8. So when you take 1 from this, it will become what? 14. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 9 is what? 5. Then here is 8. 8 minus 9. It is not possible. So we will take 1 from this. It will become what? 18. 18 minus 9. 9. Then 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. So the final answer is what? 5.959. I hope you all have also got the same answer. Okay. Now, next. So in maths also, you have to read the question. You have to see, go through the question very nicely. Important. What should be added? What should be added to 39.587 to give? What should be added to 39.587 to give 80.375? This is the question. So what should be added to 39.587? So what should be added? Let x should be added. So what? X plus. Clear? In place of what? In place of what I have written? X. Clear? So x plus 39.587 to give 80.375 minus 39.587. Now subtract it. So 80.375 and 39.587. Subtract it. So 15. 15 minus 7. 5 is here. We will take 1 from here. So it will become 6. Clear? And this will become what? 15. So 15 minus 7. 8. Now here is 6. So this will be 2. This will be 16. 16 minus 8. 8. So this is 2. Again we will take 1 from this. It will become what? 7. This will become 10. And then again we will take 1 from 10. And this 1 will come here. So 12 minus 5. 7. Now 9 minus 9. 0. And 7 minus 3. 4. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 40.788. Okay. Now the next question. What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from 100 to give 19.29? Okay. What should be subtracted from 100 to give 19.29? So what should be subtracted from? What means what? What means again take x. So x should be subtracted from 100. So means 100 minus x is equal to 19.29. So x, we have to find out the value of x. So we will make x what? Positive. It is possible here to make x positive. So we will make x positive here. So it will be 100 minus 19.29 is equal to x. So now subtract it. So 100 and here is what? 19.29. So here also we can put decimal and 0 here we can put. Now subtract it. So again 0 is here, so it will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9, clear? 9 minus 2, 7. Here also 9. 9 minus 9, 0. And here also 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So 80.71. So the final answer, the value of x will be what? 80.71. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Because in maths, if you will solve more questions, you will become more and more perfect. So for perfection, practice is very important. And that is why I am solving all different types of questions here, so that you can also solve all different kind of questions based on this topic. Next is, what is excess 584.29 over 213.95. So what is excess of this over this? Means what? This one is greater. Clear? You have to subtract this from this. So we will write 584.29 and then 213.95. So 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 9, 3. Then 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 1, 7. And 5 minus 2, 3. So 370.34. Okay. Now the next is, evaluate. Yeah, this type of question also you get. So the first one is 5.4 minus 0.8 plus 2.97 minus 1.462. This is the question. Okay, how we will solve it? So again, first we will solve what? First we will solve the bracket. So 5.4 and 0.8 we will add. So what we will get here? 5.4 and 0.8. Clear? Like this you also do. That is why I can add, I can subtract it. But I am doing it purposefully so that you also do like this. When you will do it like this, you will not make any mistake. Clear? So what you have to do, you have to subtract. Put here minus sign. So 14 minus 8, 6. What is left here? 4. 4 minus 4.6. So write here 4.6 plus what? Again subtract this one, 2.97 and 1.462. So this is 0 here. So 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. And 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. So here also you will write 1.508. Now what you have to do? You have to add these two. How will you add? Here also you can do. You can write the number and you can add, because when you are adding 2 plus 3 is 5 or 3 plus 2 is 5. So doesn't matter whether this one you write first or this one you write first. But this matters a lot when this matters a lot in subtraction and division. Clear? There is no difference in addition and multiplication. So now you add this one. So 8, 0, 11, 4 and 1, 5 and 1, 6. So answer will be what? 6.108. Final answer. Okay. Now sub part 2. 6.25 plus 0.36 and then minus 17.2 minus 8.97. Okay, this is the question. So now rub this one so that again we get space here to do the calculation. So first we have to add add this one, 6.25, 0.36. So 15 minus 6, this we have to add. Put here plus sign. Okay. 5 and 6, 11. 3 and 2, 5. And 1, 6. And this is what? 6.61. Next, we have to subtract this one. So, we can subtract 17.2 and 8.97. So, first, let's write here first the result of this addition. Okay. Then, minus sign. Now, here we have to subtract. So, 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then again, 1 shifted here. So, 1 left here. 11. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 9, 2. Then 16 here. 16 minus 8, 8. Okay. So, here it will be what? 8.23. Now, here we have to subtract. So, we cannot write this one here. Clear? But one thing is very important here. This one is smaller and this one is greater. Here we have to subtract greater from the smaller number. Okay. So, whenever we have to subtract the greater from the smaller number, we will do the simple subtraction. Clear? Also, 8.23 we will subtract, because always it is subtracted from the smaller number, subtracted from the greater number. But when we have to subtract the greater number from the smaller number, what we will do? We will again subtract the smaller number from the greater number, but we will change the sign. So, subtract it here. 3 minus 1, 2. What is the answer coming? 1.62. 1.62. But which sign is greater here? Minus sign is greater. So, we will put the minus sign. Clear? So, this is based on the concept that when plus and minus is there, we do subtraction. But in answer, we put the sign with the greater number. And this concept I have discussed in my previous video also. Clear? You all know also this one. So, this will be the final answer. Clear? Now, let's do the next one. Few more questions. If A is equal to 237.98 and B is equal to 8, one is A minus B minus A. This is the question. A minus B. Discuss the concept. Same concept we will apply here. Okay. So first A minus B. First one I am doing. A minus B means what? 237. So of course this one is greater than this one. There is no problem. So 237.98 and 83.47. Subtract it. So 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 30 minus 8, 5. And 154. So here the answer will be what? 154. Clear? Now sub part 2. In sub part 2, B minus A. We will do the subtraction, but we will put the sign with the greater number. So of course, when we subtract, we will get the same answer. We will get what? 154.51. As we have got here, same answer we will get here. But here B minus A and B is what? B is smaller than A. So here we will change the sign. Okay. So this concept we will use here. Now, next question. The cost of 1 kg of sugar increases from 472 rupees 32.65. Find the increase in cost. Find the increase in cost. Find the increase in cost. Increases from this to this means what? Means we have to subtract, then only we can find out how much there is increase in the cost. So we will do subtraction. And from this to this, it is written here from, means this one we will write first. So according to the question, what we will write? Increases from this to this. Yes. So we have to find a difference, and always we find a difference how? We subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Clear? So here which one is the smaller number? 28. And increase means of course this quantity is more than this one. So we will write 30. First we write the statement, increase in cost is equal to, increase in cost is equal to what? 32.65 and then 28.47. So 15 minus 7, 8. Then here 5 minus 4, 1. Then what is left here? 5 minus 4, 1. 12. 12 minus 8. Here what? 4. Then 2 minus 2, 0. So the answer will be what? Answer will be rupees 4.18. It is very important to write the unit. If simply you will write answer 4.18. Clear? If you write simply answer 4.18, then of course you can lose the marks. So better whenever statement word problem is there, you write the answer and you mention the unit also. And what is unit here? Rupees. Clear? So that's all for this class, and thank you very much, and please keep practicing.